Hello, welcome to another episode on the P6 Rover Restoration. I'll take you a little walk around and show you what I've done since the last one. Not done any videoing before, not a great person for the camera, but I'll do what I can. I've already learnt a few bits and pieces, what to do and what not to do. Yeah, I'm going to let you have a little look. I'll see you later. Another stubborn little bit. There's a little chisel to get it off. Just bear with me for a second or two. Okay, she's off. That's just surface up there, which is no great issue. That's the continuation of the wheel tub all the way down there. Need to fabricate that, but we can get in now quite easily. Start sticking some metal back. I'm going to treat all of this before we go and repair that. I'll show you as I go along, but these spot welds have been a complete little so-and-so. They're almost double spot welds because you could see clearly where they were, and we made sure we drilled absolutely in the centre, but they were like a double. I don't get it. I mean, I don't know what's gone on there. How many spot welds do you need in one spot? It's crazy. But anyway, this little bit down here, this is the end of the inner sill. So I'm assuming it comes up to about here. So I'll fabricate like a little L shape, and it will just get attached to here like a little plate, and to fill that area there. It's just a continuation of that. It's got a bit of a shape to it, but we'll just put a little plate in there, I think, up to this edge. This edge, sorry, ain't good no looking on the floor, is it? This edge here is the key. Everything stops here. So you got the inside of the wheel tub, and then it just comes down, down, down. So this is our reference point. You see a few spot welds there on this chassis leg. You can see where that connects to this, like a plate that runs down there, connected to those spot welds. So yeah, this, although it needs a little repair because it's a bit shot, I'll put a new piece in there, but that is the reference point to the end, or the end of the tub, if you like. So it all folds down there, which is good. Finishes there on the inner. As I say, we just put a plate in there. Yeah. Oh, she's put up a bit of a sweat this afternoon, but yeah. How are we doing with this then? Oh, that's off. That's off. That's off. All of that's off. And we just need to sort this out. I'm just not happy with what's behind this weld here. And you can see on that top line there, that's the top of the sill panel. So I just don't like And that looks pretty solid. I just don't like what's behind, really. So I've got to take this end plate out somehow. It's nearly out anyway. Sort this end out, and then we could offer a new sill panel into place, and then we can take all our datum, get that in the right place, and everything else should follow suit. But yeah, getting there slowly. Doesn't look as though there's a lot of it left, but hey ho, I'm sure we'll get there. Yeah, that's the inside. I'll fabricate this bit. I haven't done that bit yet. That'll be fairly straightforward. I'll show you that when it comes round to it. That bit there, it's only going to go to here anyway. This is all solid. Going to go to that line there and then just drop down like that. That should be alright. And then this end closing plate. But yeah. Right. See you later. Okay, this is the back side of that A post. If you just look at the top there, you can see that double row of spot welds. I'm not going to be able to get in there to do that because I need to save that as part of the A post at the very top. So what we're going to do is cut a straight line just below it and up the side, and then that should release that last bit of sill that I'm after. And then looking at the new sill panel for the replacement, this piece is cut out anyway, so no need to touch that. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. But this is what was behind, and I'm glad I cut that out now. I can see exactly what's going on. That's the back of the wheel arch, so all we're going to do there is just cut that bit of rot out at the bottom and just plate that properly, and then we'll just carry on with the sill repair. But I'm quite glad I chopped it out now so we can sort this mess out as well. So that's where we're up to for now, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you really want to see some more videos. Not done this before, learning a few bits and pieces as we go along with the camera and so on and so forth. But hopefully the idea is to help somebody out, because when I searched that interweb, I really couldn't see anything detailed that was going to help. So literally on my own, if you like. Yes, there are bits and pieces out there, but it doesn't show you in any great detail. Okay, I managed to get that piece out. I managed to save the majority of the bottom of the A post, and lo and behold, we've got this piece just here, which is the splash panel, I suppose, of the front wheel arch. Again, there's corrosion on the inside, and this is where you can see that they've just put this plate here straight over. They've not even cut that out, they've just put a plate over. You can see it better around the other side. Let's come around here, don't even see that. There you go. And there's a weld across there, going to cut this out. I'm just going to go across the top of there and chop that out on this side. And you can see why. This piece here is the splash panel of the wheel arch, so we've got two now. Same old story really. So I'm going to cut it up to the top of that swage, that stiffener, and then just remake another bit, and then we're almost there, cutting the rot out. Hopefully it'll be too long before we start putting some metal back. Well, cut that out all the way around, just a little slice off the bottom, and that's not looking too bad down there. Happy with that. Call it a day, I think. Stop there. That's the inner sill panel, so I'm going to be welding to there anyway, and there's the outer sill panel, a bit there, and again a clean up, just gone underneath that, a little strengthening piece, so I'll butt welder a new piece in there. And this is the bit I've just cut out. You can see clearly if we'd have left it, what's likely to have happened. It's just rotting away like a good one. And that's the repair panel that was put in. There's your weld. I've just gone across the top there. And this is already starting to rust, as you can see on the inside. They've just not prepped it, there's not even any primer, absolutely diddly. So I'm glad that piece is gone. It's quite heavy actually, there's a lot of metal stuck in there, all rotting away, but yeah, bin it. Okay, so with a bit of luck, we may well tomorrow be able to offer up the new sill panel, which is up there, and just offer it in position, just see how it sits. I know I haven't cleaned anything up yet ready for it, but I'll do that. But we'll see how it sort of fits, and we'll go from there. I'm not going to weld it in at this stage, but if I can get it pinned on, I can take my references for the inside of the sill panel and hopefully start to put some metal back. So it's not looking great at the moment, but it'll go back. That's it all off. New bit will be going on, or offered up anyway. We're not doing too sad at this moment in time.